New Sudbury buyers, I can basically throw a rock to Cambrian College. That's how close we are. There's so many highlights of this home I want to show you. I'm going to do it all in 15 seconds. Let's go. Carport and garage. You'll never have to complain about space in this entrance. An updated kitchen with a big island and new appliances. Open concept with their dining and living room. 3 bedrooms right behind me and 2 in the basement. The first of the 2 updated bathrooms. This house never ends. There's a huge finished rec room down here. Last but not least, you do not get a backyard more private than this. I can't see one neighbor. I'm Tristan Ritchie from Lake City Realty, and this is 1676 Lamothe. Don't miss out. Book your private showing today.